Okay, I've got a good drain pan now. Let you guys get a check out that. We've got a pot and a jug. And we're going to use that because this particular motor oil was actually just changed, what was it? Probably less than 1,000 miles ago. And additive was put in there, treatment, seafoam. If you guys want to sponsor me, you can. I wouldn't complain. Okay. Mobil One fully synthetic. That's all I run. It's pretty dirty kind of looking for only 1,000 miles. See how that's working. I don't know how it's working. I can't see it. You guys probably can see it better than I can. It's so satisfying just to watch the oil run out. Oh yeah, that is working nice. I can see that now. Cool. I was worried about leaks in the bottom, but that actually seems to be sealing fairly well. I mean, there is some oil on the ground a little bit, baby tiny itty bitty bit, but that's more from what just dripped. You know, that hasn't even really ran too far. Oh yeah. See, my pan's been leaking too, so it might not really hurt to drop this pan anyway. It's probably that rear main, honestly. So this isn't going to get all the oil out of the pan. So I need that. Let's sit it out of there. I'm not sponsored by these guys either, but they're a local company. They started distilling liquor. I used to work for for another company that these folks used to own, but it's a really good whiskey. So awesome. Cool, that's going to be good enough for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the pan. For one, so we don't lose it. And for two, so we don't get all messy. Boom, perfect. Now I'll have to remember that it is not tightened. Yep. Okay. Perfect. Just like me. Okay, let's see if we've got a wrench that small. I don't think we do. Ooh, what about this guy? He's tiny. Let's see. Ooh, we're gonna have to have a socket. No work up there. Let's see if this one fit though. Oh, it no fit. What size is this one? 7/16. Yeah, too small. It's definitely too small. These are too big. And we know a wrench won't work anyway, so what the hell? What's this one? 7/16. Okay, let's go look.